Welcome back, viewers. In this video we are going to work on update cards. Last video we have worked on display products, so now we will work on update cards. So let's start. First of all, I have to go here in my VS Code, and we were here in cards.html in last time. What I can do here now, I would like to display Navbar also here, so that will be good. So let's do it. First of all, I will go to here in index.html, and I will remove it from here to here, and I will come here in template.product, not inside the product. Make this navbar in general template here where we have message and this form helpers layout. So I will create navbar dot html, and now here I will come and paste these codes inside here, and then for the index here, after the starting of block content, I will do here curly brackets, then percentage, then I will write just include, and we will include here navbar dot html. And here you can see now, if we go to now our continue shopping, you can see this everything is working and this navbar is their own place. So for cards, we just need to import this navbar, not the all codes. So we can do it like this, and then include, and this will be navbar dot html. And here now you can see, if we go to cart, you can see we have navbar here also, but this navbar is smaller than our other cards. So let me fix this one also. And you can see here we are not using that call, so I will use here the columns. This will be call md12, and just I will come here and paste it here. So because we have there three divs are closing, does not matter. So the last thing I have to do, this container, I will give it empty margin from top 4. It will come a little bit down. Call, okay, this should be call, and now you can see we are aligned. So that's good. Now we have to update quantity and colors. So what we can do, we can display all the color from our database to choose another color whichever available. For that we have to put that color in our session. So all colors, before we are just displaying this one color. So now first thing I will do here, just come to in cart folder, inside cart, and here if you can see add cart, and we have here last thing is image. So I will come here, I will do just this one is color, this one is color, and other one I will write colors like polluter, and this color will be equal to product dot colors, and this color is coming from our database model. So now we are done from here, and I will go to here in this page, and yeah, I would like to also display image. So let's first display the image, because image, so we can that image there. Here I will write img, and then source will be here URL underscore 4, and then here will be static, and then file name, and this will be equal to image, that folder name, and then slash, and then after this quotation we'll write here plus, and then product dot image, because here we are not using this image 1. And if you come here, see in our card session, and we are using the name of this image, and this is equal to image 1, so we can get their image 1. And now I will here set the image product dot name for the alt, and for width I will give it 50, and the height I will give it 45, and also before the name I will give it th to this will be image. And now let's see how it's working. See, we are displaying our images also. The last thing will be here to update, and you can see here we cannot see that drop down is not working, so our brands and categories are not working, so we will make it in next video. It's not in this video. The main thing will be here, I will go to, after the name here I will just create one post form of the post. It will be accept post request, and this one I will take it from here, and after this update I will put it here, so all will be inside this form. Then we can get what we want to get. This quantity here, you can see we have this quantity. I will make this one here one input, and this will be input of numbers, and here value will be this quantity, and then I will make it here. The name will be also quantity, and then min length will be 1, and max I will give it 20, or not 20, 10, and max will be 10. And if you want, you can get the max length of your from your database, as then you can put the stock inside your session, then max length will be here of that whatever the available. For the video purpose I am doing this one, and you can also use max of your stock. This one is good. So then we have to display these colors here as a drop down. So what can I do now here, and come here and make this one little bit like that, and you can see we have here single page, and we were using this one here, the colors. As you can see, here is label for colors, and I will just copy this one from here to here, so then everything will be easier for us to work. Okay, so now what I can do, I will just come to here. The first code here will be option. This is options, and the value will be this one, and also this one for changing colors. And here I will just make it capitalized, so then it will be capitalized, and this one I will make it this one is already capitalized. Okay, so now let's try and let's see how these things are working. Dict object has no colors. Okay, we don't have colors here because we didn't do anything here in cards. So what I can do now, I will come here, and from here to here I will just cut them and save the file, and then refresh. So I will come add another item, then we will be able to display colors. So next time we will come and delete items. So now I will come here and just paste them here again. Why don't have a color? Should have a color. Let me see. Car.py, we have color here without colors. If I go to empty card, So the problem was there, so I just made some codes to empty the card, and you can see before the session we don't have that one, so we have to empty the card before and then add new items. I have some snapped code for empty card, so I will paste them here and then we'll go and empty the card. Once then it will be working. So come here, empty, and now you can see we have 0 cards, and if I go here and here and here 4 is enough, and now you can see here we have these colors and it's starting from the main problem is here. Now you can see this blue is showing 2 times blue. So it is simple, we can remove one in HTML. We come to here, so what I have to do, and the first here you can see I will give it just style, and this will be display none, and now we have only one, so it's okay. Now we have this one and this one, and everything is working fine. And normally this should be a number, maybe there is a spelling mistake, this should be NUM. So now hopefully everything is good from here, and you can see, and now, and I will come here in after get card, I will do here app.route, and this will be update cart, and this will accept post request. Then we have to define the method. Default method here is get, so define the methods here. Now this will be equal to, and this here just post, because here we are not going to get. So then here define update cart, and here this one we have to pass ID also here, so I have to pass ID int, and here will be int. Then I will just give code. I will make it so code, so this one will be here code. Then I will come here. First thing is here I have to check if we have a card. Just write this return to avoid this error message. So first of all we have to check here if shopping cart in session, and this will be not, we have to do ask it if not in session, and length of this session shopping cart less than equal to 0, and then from here we will return and redirect to the URL 4, and here I will give it home page, should go in home page. And if they don't have, and if they have, then we start updating the cart. And then here we write if request dot method equal to post, and then we will set here the variable for that one, and here the first one will be quantity, and this will be equal to, here will be request dot form dot get, and here we will get that name of quantity, and this is quantity, and the second will be colors. And let me check here with name I give for the colors, but it was set already, so I will make just color, so we will get here one color, not colors. So then come here, color equal to request dot form dot get, and here we will get the color, and then right here try, and then pass, and after accept exception as E, and here I will print E, and then return redirect to the URL 4, and here I will use that get card. So if we have a problem, then we can go get card, and we will give it a flash message here also, and then we will start here doing the things. First thing we have to do here, session dot modified equal to true, and then I have to do that for loop, and then here I write for key item in session dot this shopping cart, and the session card name is shopping cart. I to be sure, okay, the shopping cart dot items. So then if key, I will make it integer key, it is equal to code, and then what we will do here item dot color, this will be equal to color variable, or quantity should be before quantity item, and here will be quantity equal to quantity, and then we will return and redirect and URL 4, and here we will also get card, and we will give here the flash message flash, and here we will write that item is updated, just this simple message. And I guess we are not including this item message here, so I will come here in admin, so I will copy this one to include this message, and I will come here cart.html where we were including this one inside the container. Okay, so I will come here, and inside the container here I will just include this message, and the second thing will be here. So I have to come here, and what can I do? I will just change this one to button view. This will be a button, and here I will make this one like class. I will treat this one as a class, and this class will be btn sm, then btn info, and this one should be here also button, and that this type of this button will be submit. And now this one is done from here, so I will come here in our form, so we have to give now the action. So this action will be here like a URL. We are going to do URL underscore 4, and then here, and I have this update cart, and that's this function. From here we defined it now, and then I will have to do here, write this code. It should be code because there we are passing this code, and this will be equal to key, and the key is defined here. This is the key. So now we are done. as I guess. So let's try now. Okay, program is not running, so maybe there is some problem. Okay, so now it's running, and as you see, if I come here, update this one, and okay, this item is updated and we are in 3. And if I make this one in white, and you can see we are in white now, and if I make this one black, this one is black. Even we refresh the page, we are in black. And here you can see our total is updating accordingly. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.